removal on this vehicle. It was a long process. Baking in the sun with adhesive remover, then like 20 gazillion, you know, looks for debris and all that kind of stuff. It's just not my cup of tea. Already got it in there, so I think this is the perfect time to illustrate what we're going to do here in the back. There's a cutout version on the computer cut, or people that do hand cut, we can cut it. We're just going to go ahead and leave it all full, pretty much. Do our shrink, do our install. It is Saturday. We have been super busy today. I worked over here on my side and pretty much well, worked on this many hours. Horrible. Okay, so we got that going. Paper towels, here they are. Not a terribly hard window, but fresh content nonetheless. People like to see stuff being cooked on, so let me show them this. Let's see what they think. Okay. I don't know if they fixed this gun, but I'll know right away right now. If it doesn't do the shrink that I need, then I'll have to change guns. .5% Gen 4 by Dirty Tools window film. Been in the market for a long time, but I'm a new seller of the product. Completely love it because it shrinks like butter. Very good hard scratch coat, and well, it lasts a long time. I know a lot of people don't do dyed film almost, but it's just a stepping stone for your good, better, best. We're gonna do a type of, you know, Franky kind of deal with this window. I'm not in the mood to do a Cali roll. So we'll do a different one that you guys can see all your Franky guys out there. Okay. It's been a long, long day. A lot of humidity today, so a lot of humidity. You know, for September, shit. I'm sorry, yeah. What is it, October? Yeah, October. Horrible humidity. Okay, I'm gonna go to that side real quick. There she goes. Let me get this guy right here. Okay. Okay. Liner thing is horrible, huh? Okay. Okay. There she is, pretty much in position, lubricated, so that I can do my thing real quick here. People ask me if I have a go-to squeegee for the back window for as long as it's flexible, so that you can maneuver, you know, the areas of curve. That's all. Something hard, no, flexible. Bottom areas we can manage with this. As far as I can down, back window tool again here. A lot of success. What we have here now gonna be the back of the light. Back of the light. Let me see if I get a rack. This one. A lot of success with the good quality install. But see, there's the back of the light. So we're going to use that dirty fin back window right there, corner. I'm sorry, the back light. Daniel Puentes, you want to see something pretty proper. It's very, very, see this tool right here is not going to do it right. It ain't going to do it. It gets stuck. So a little bit of lube. This guy right here, and boom, sideways like this, all the way down and sideways, all the way down and sideways like that, all the way down, then with your left if you want to, all the way down and sideways, down and sideways. It's not down and up because of this reverse curve. You're going to probably pick up film. So let's go check it out on the outside, see what's up with the window in general. Okay, see what's up. Okay, 100% success. No water, nothing. So there's your all-in-one, pretty much all the way to the back. Swipe, swipe, and that's all she wrote. Getting ready to turn this in. Had it for many hours here. Guys, enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like, share, and inbox me all your questions about any other tool you use and stuff like that. You already saw how this one gets used. Not like this. Nope. Here, swipe, swipe, and all your problems at the back glasses without having to remove this back panel, they're pretty much solved. Have an awesome day. GoPro, stop recording.